I thought I'd just, help myself. Well, that's so nice of you, Chase. Okay, so here, sit down because we have a lot going on. Chase, you still got the gold. I know because Chase is part of the show and he's a big subscriber, so we can definitely trust you.
Soft
So here,
candy flood.
check out what we found.
Soft candy flood. 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 With the blue, blue and orange. Yippee.
There's a lot of people after this gold.
I think we need to order a safe and put the gold in the safe.
No, I say we cash it out. We gotta cash it. We gotta figure out how much this is worth. Yeah, I agree.
And we're gonna have to weigh it. Do we have a scale?
Actually,
Ow.
the person. Our good friend Alex is a specialist. You're right. Sharon, we have a really good friend Alex who's also on our swim team, and he is obsessed with gold. He has an entire bedroom with gold scales and everything. Yeah, let's call Alex. Here, grab your phone, call Alex.
Yeah. Calling him right now. Alex, it's an emergency. We need you right away.
Don't tell him what we found.
Ow.
Tell him the gold kit.
No. No, I can't tell you. You gotta come over right now. Right away. Where's the gold kit? You gotta bring the gold kit. It's an emergency. It's an emergency.
Sweet. Okay, Alex is on his way. Shares, get ready. Alex is gonna test this gold, and we're gonna see exactly how much this gold is worth. So before he gets here, comment right now how much you think this gold is worth. I'm gonna say $100,000.
I gotta go bigger. I think it's $1 million.
$1 million? Chris, what do you think?
10 million.
10 million? Mom, what do you think?
$1 billion!
$1 billion? What? I hope it's worth that much. Okay. Oh.
Wait, make sure it's tempered, because when we were out there, we saw someone else out there. It could be them.
Let me go check real quick. You guys stay here just to be safe. Guard the gold. Don't let the gold out of your sight. Let me go check. Okay.
This horse soft candy.
And I feel better now.
Is it Alex? Let's see. Oh, there's Alex. There you are. Perfect. Yes, Shares. Alex is here, and he brought the. Is that the gold kit? Got the gold kit here. He got the gold kit. Oh yeah. So Shares, check it out. This is my friend Alex. He's a really good friend. He's been subscribed for a long time. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure to join the Share fam. So Alex, we can totally trust. But Alex, did you see anyone outside? Not that I can tell. Okay, no one followed you here.
No one here.
Okay, so here, just come down. We're gonna go around to the basement. Just keep an eye out. If you see someone anytime, just let me know. And the Shares, comment down below if you see anyone at any time. But we got quite the surprise for you. Let's just say we know how much you like gold, and we think this is really going to satisfy all the gold that you've been searching for your whole life.
Gold expert, let's see what you guys got.
Okay. Just come down. Like, where did Grace and Mom go?
They went to go find a safe to put the gold in.
Oh, perfect. Oh, yes. Okay. Let's check this out. Look at this. Have you ever seen this much gold?
Gold. Alright.
Yeah, it's a lot of gold. Whoa. What is all this stuff?
Alright, first we got our scale here. The electric scale is gonna tell us how much gold we have.
Perfect. Ooh, Shares, like I said, I'm guessing 100,000 gold.
I'm so excited. I think it's gonna be more, but Alex will let us know.
Okay, this is some intense, like, spy gadget stuff. I don't know what all this stuff is.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. What is that?
Alright, this is gonna give you a closer look at what we're doing here.
Alright, okay. How's it looking?
Looks nice to me. Let's put it on the scale.
Okay, I'm excited. How much do you think it's gonna weigh?
Can't tell yet.
Pounds, ounces? Like, what are we talking here?
I won't guess. Let's just put it on the scale and see what's up.
Okay. Ooh, all this gold, Shares. We are gonna be rich. I think we found it all. This is so perfect. I know.
For many years, I don't think I've ever seen this much at one time found in this area before. Pretty impressive stuff.
That's what I'm talking about, Shares. We did it. We found the gold. Okay, get it on the scale. This is what I'm talking about. How much does it weigh so far? 2.3 ounces. Oh, we are loading this scale up.
That's like not even half yet.
I know. We have so much. The gold is okay. What is it? How much will it be worth?
The shark. Soft candy 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 shark. Shark shark. Soft candy shark. Soft candy shark. Yippee. Bang.
We gotta figure out how much this is worth. Ooh, calculator. Love it. Chase, what did you guess?
I guess $1 million.
$1 million? I guess 100,000. I don't know. What's it gonna be worth? How much is it gonna be worth?
Charmin clean and proud of it.
the number here.
Okay, I'm ready for it.
$6,000.
$6,000?
That's it?
What? That's all it's worth? We found all the gold.
All of this gold is only worth $6,000? Well, you know, rumor has it there's hundreds of millions of dollars of gold back there. Virginia has a lot of gold. It's just up to us to find it. It's out there, but I'm afraid to tell you there's only 6,000 here.
Wait, so we didn't find it all?
I don't think so. I think there's a lot left out there. I really do.
more?
I think there is a lot more out there. Look, if you guys don't mind, I can't keep this a secret. Let's go to that spot where you guys found the gold. See what we can get out of there.
Okay, there's got to be more.
Let's do it.
That's great. It turns out there was more gold this entire time.
How much did you find?
Only $6,000 worth.
There has to be more out there.
Yeah, we're gonna go back and look.
Let's go check it out. I think there's a lot more to find.
And then, Alex, like I said before, if you see anyone in the woods, you've got to let us know.
We'll do it.
Okay.
I'll keep my eyes peeled.
Okay. We actually left our gold mining kit back in the woods because we got scared there's someone out there.
They
So
give me room.
we got
They
to the
give me
woods.
room.
You guys found
They
this.
give me
There
room.
was a ton
They
there,
give me
but
room.
we got it all.
They give me room.
I don't know. Did you
Seth,
watch last fall?
give me room.
Yeah, I saw it.
Seth, give me room. 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 The candy. Seth, Seth, give me room. Candy. Baby, give me room.
We're not sure, so if you see anyone in the woods at any time, just let me know. But here, let me take you to the gold spot. I'm trying to remember where it was. I think it was over this way. It was a little muddy here. Yikes.